So I actually had to search bar this question for you.
Oh no!
What is the
seatbelt on?
between?
Sound it out.
What is the difference between a low fire pottery and a high fire pottery?
The difference is the cone temperature that it fires to, and whether it's going to be resilient. So if you think about like terracotta is a low fire clay, and it's often found in like the Southwest where people were doing pit firing to make their bowls and vases and vessels that they're finding from like ancient times. And like the stuff that you used in school to make ashtrays. It's not super resilient. When I say it's not super resilient, you can't put it in the microwave. You can't cook with it. Depending on the way that it's fired and the type of clay, it's not always food safe. So you learn about the clay bodies by reading the packaging label that tells you like what it's good for, what the material is good for. There's a lot of low fire sculpting clay. So yeah, like it is what it is when it comes to
directions.
The directions. Who
She
knew?
had a sudden moment of enlightenment.
Who knew there were destructions for everything?
I was like, I never looked at those.
Yeah.
It's the wrong way.
There's also super high fire clays like that you would use to make crocks, like the vessels that you would cook in your oven. Those would be like cone 10 and above. There's also clay bodies that they use to make ceramic discs for brakes that are even higher fire, and like things that astronauts use in rockets.
What? What did you say?
Liquid hot.
You said
you have to use liquid hot magma.
Magma. Can you say penguin?
Penguin.
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 Boy, you're making my job easier. Easy.
You better put yourself in there too.